Hello everyone, welcome to ECJ Square T channel. So, Vanakkam Namaskar Swagatam. So, today in this video, we are going to see about octal number system. Octal number system. So, octal number system means it is 8. So, when I say binary number system, its radix is 2. So, here for octal number system, its radix is 8. We can say as radix, or we can call it as base, whatever it is. So the number system with base 8 is known as the octal number system. So in this system, 8 symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So till 7 are used to represent the numbers. So for example, 6327.40. So this is decimal value. So this is treated as octal number. So this is about octal number system. Its base is 8. So how we will treat? So it is just like C. So how this, for example, we have one, we'll see one conversion. So octal to decimal conversion. So we'll see about that. Then you will know it clearly. So for example, if we have 6327.4051. So this is a octal number system. So how we will weight it means, see, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is 3, right? So what will be 6 into 8 to the power of 3 plus 3 into 8 to the power of 2, this one. For this, 2 into 8 to the power of 1 plus 7 into 8 to the power of 0. Again, we need to do decimal conversion also, right? So for that, again, plus 4 into 8 to the power of minus 1. So, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So for this 4, 0 will be there. So it is not minus 0. Okay, it will be treated as 0. So for 4 into 8 to the power of 0 plus 0 into 8 to the power of minus 1 plus 5 into 8 to the power of 5 into 8 to the power of minus 2 plus this one into 8 to the power of minus 3. So when we do this all like this whole thing belongs to 3072 plus 192 plus 16 plus 7 plus this decimal values. So 4 by 8 plus 0. So the thing is, like for decimal, we won't treat it as 0. So we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because when I say 0, for example, here I have told you 0. Actually, the conversion is we need to do minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that. So here, if I say 4 into 8 to the power of minus 0, so that is invalid, right? That's why we won't take it as 0, 1, 2, 3. Instead of this, we'll take as 1, 2, 3, 4. So you please remember it. I wantedly did it because you need to remember that. So I wantedly did it. So it is like for decimal, we need to go by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here minus 1, here minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. Okay. So then the value becomes 4 by 8 plus 0 plus 5 by 512 plus 1 by 4096. So 1 by 4096. So the whole thing value, it becomes 3287.511238. So this value, whatever is there, it is octal value. Equivalent decimal conversion is this. So this we are going to represent it as like this in octal number. So this is about octal to decimal conversion. So now we will see about decimal to octal conversion. How we will do decimal to octal conversion? Octal conversion. So how we will do it? So for example, the conversion from decimal to octal is similar to the conversion procedure for base 10 to base 2 conversion. So for example, if I give convert 247, so this is a decimal value into octal. So how it will, so before we have seen how to convert octal number to decimal number. So how we did means we have used a weighted uh, procedure to see how the decimal numbers. So how to get an octal number from decimal number. So now we will see how to get a decimal number, like an octal number from a decimal number. So convert 247 base 10 into octal. Then what we need to do, I need to take this 247 and I need to divide by 8. So 3s are 24. So I'll get 0.7. Okay, 8 3s are 24. So I'll get 0.7. So next again, I need to do this 8. So 30, 3s are 24, 0.6. So I need to take this like this. So what it is, 3, 6, 7. So here we are getting 0, right? That's why we need to put a 0 here. Okay, so we'll get like, we have converted 247 binary number to octal number, that is 367 base 8. So this is about the conversion. So we have converted decimal to octal. So just do division and take this here and again do division, like that you go, and at the end you need to take in this way. So this will be the starting number. So like that you need to take. So this is about octal to like getting a octal number from decimal number. Now we'll see octal to binary. So till now we have seen decimal. So now we'll see binary conversion. So octal numbers can be converted into equivalent binary numbers by replacing each octal digit by its 3 bit. So for example, if you take 736, so this is an octal number, I need to convert it to binary. So how I'll do it? So I need to replace each octal digit by its 3 bit. So for example, if I take this 7, so 7 means binary. In binary, we'll get 111. And this 3, what I'll get 0, 1, 1. And this 6, I need to write 1, 1, 0. So this is binary. So if, for example, see, we'll calculate the weight, okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 into, like, sorry, 1 into, so 1 into 2 to the power of 8 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 7 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 8 plus, sorry, 7, here 6 it will come. 6, for 5 it is 0, okay? 5 it is 0, again 2 to the power of 4 you need to write, 2 to the power of 3 infinite, 2 to the power of 2, and again 2 to the power of 1. So 2 to the power of 8 value, all those if you do addition, you will get 736. So like that. So you need to convert each octal numbers into its binary, 3-bit binary numbers. Why we need to take 3-bit? Because 8 power 1 is 2 to the power of 3. This is equivalent, right? So that's why we need to convert, like when we want to convert an octal to a binary, we need to do 3-bit conversion kind of thing. Okay, so this is about octal to binary conversion. So I'll meet you in the next video. Until and then, bye. Have a nice